Welcome to my shop. This is Jim, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We're working on a project. Come along, have fun. Alright, I'm going to reshoot this. I'm not reshooting this. This is a repeat of what I've been doing. I've already got one of these done, and basically, I'm going to go ahead and center this up. Oh, it gets off so quick I can't see it. Maybe I'll lean down here behind you. I can't. It's touching and lining up so quick on me that it's actually jumping off before I can even see it for some reason today. There we go. Must just be asleep this morning. So, basically, I've already got the other center from the other day for this, where I want the hole to be. So all I have to do here with this is put in the final center and the final hole and drill and tap it on these brackets that I've been working on. So and the reason I'm going ahead and re-zero, these are supposed to be close, but you just don't never know. And this has kind of been a design project of the by guess and by gosh method. And I've already seen that we're going to have to do some more milling on the slots and extend the slots. I could have probably made these slots an inch shorter, truth to be known. So we'll just sort of re-zero these up and re-mill them out like we need them to be here today. Hopefully we'll get this all squared away the way we want it. Let me check this right quick for you. I know I understand sometimes, but it just looks like. And with a 1/4 inch drill or something fairly flat like this, the real need to tap this center drill is kind of, I mean, say in. I'm going to say in. So we'll open this up. I tell you, now again, for the newer viewers on my channel, this is not an Albright. This is a Rome, what I have. Still a German-made chuck. I come across this thing on Facebook, and there's a company selling them, and it was extremely reasonable. My results of power tapping sometimes is iffy. And I got to reach over around the camera, so I was about to running my mouth is about to mess up. But with a keyless chuck, it's a little more difficult. But there it is. Now, I'm going to deburr this one off camera, then we're going to reset back up to fix the problem. What I discovered in my trial fit up is when I put my fixture on the grinder, that the grinder is not going to be, like a better word, the grinder is not going to be the grinder's not going to have enough travel. Again, I kind of worked this off in my head because I didn't have any exact dimensions. So what I'm going to have to do is go back and move mill everything up to here and add about this much more slot to get the fixture up. See, the way the mill, the way mine's designed, or the way my Baldor is a base this is going to rest on. So that's kind of where we're working from. Okay, let me see if I can zoom in a little more. What I've done is I've relined this up and I'm remilling this a little bit just to get it close. And we're going to this is actually the second one, and I've marked them. Set my X0 right there. And the reason being is then I know how much to put my small mill in when I go in with this. That's basically what we're going to do is just install the small mill and go from there. Same thing with the 5/16 mill. Now what I'm going to actually do here is go to the back, go to the front, and just again, this mill is somewhat in the center. I'm just going to touch back here, and then I'm going to come forward with it, and I'm just going to stop about 1/8 of an inch from the front. And then that's going to be what we're going to do. Just to give us a little bit of room for this to work. Quarter, I'm going to go in 8, which is 125. I'm actually just going to go about 100 just to make life easier. Or around its constant number, which in 8 would be 125. So there we go. So that way this slot works good. Okay, now that's it for that, and I'll load the other one and do the same. When you design stuff on the fly, and like I said, I kind of use somebody else's drawings as an idea. And again, I'm making this out of stuff that I have on hand. This is actually was a block of aluminum. You see me saw it up. And so basically I have no, so one of the things I'm running into is I don't have enough travel for my so to get what I need, I'm going to do, I've decided to put an extra screw, move, instead of being off center, move it off of center to give me even more adjustment. And so to do that, I'm putting these back into place and lining them up. I just done this one all by eye. I'm going to do the other in the same way, and I know how much to move it from the point. So this way, excuse me, but this way gives me an extra adjustment. Alright. Alright, this morning we're going to do the last operations on the drill, the grinder stand. And so what we're going to do today is basically turn, I've got one laying here, we're going to turn this down a nut to fit inside this slot with a knurled handle to adjust the lengths. It's the last thing we got to do to finish this project up. So more or less I got to do a little calculations, and I'll bring you back here in just a second when I get them calculated. Let's go along for the ride. I've got some of these knurl pieces handy all the time, and all these short pieces, and they come from, I bought them a while back off of eBay, they was just like another word. There was a this one here, these are like ends. What I want just a little more. I want to clean it up so everything's square with each other. Take a little light cut here and get a face where everything's going to be kind of parallel to each other. This isn't as critical. Well, let me move you too. You're not seeing much. Let me move you a little bit. I'm still learning how to use this new camera. Some of the nice functions of it, I can move you around and get you some better angles. And that's what we're going to do this morning. Give you a little more closer view there of the work. Not try to zoom. There we go. So now you get a better idea of what we're doing. And I don't have to have the camera up on top of me, so I'm going to begin to like this. I've measured this out. Basically, if I go in about a ½ inch, we're going to be golden. So we'll set us a stop. And then we'll start to turn this down to the diameter we need it to be, which is about 650. I want this knob to be pretty good size and how it is. Closer to size. You don't need to bore you with all that. Okay, we're going to take you down. We like about 200, so I brought you back. By the way, I'm using my favorite tool here. So I'm using one of my tools, my CNMG, I think it's a 432. This is an older Kennametal grade, a KC850. I know it's not designed. Alright, let me check this right quick. It's what I'm doing. Might be what we want. That is exactly what we want right there. So I want it just a little loose. I want it to give a little play in there. So I'm going to go ahead and run back in here and take like a spring cut. Size isn't super critical. And then you spin this right out. And there we go. You noticed I tried the part in it. So what this is for is this is for the thumb screw nut. And so I'm going to actually clean this OD up a little bit, and that's where the thumb screw is going to be. So all I got to do right now is hit a couple of quick chamfers. Then we'll set up, and this one's already got a center in it. So I'm going to put a bigger chamfer here. Mainly because to knurl it, I'm going to just clean it up to knurl. So I want to be able to have a little extra room. Now we got, since it's already got a little center in it, we're just going to drill her all the way through with a number. I usually use a number 7. It's a little bit big for 1/4 20, but I tend to like to do that. So let me go back to 600. I don't like to scream a drill. And we'll just come in here and drill and tap it. Tell you what, hold loose a minute. Let me just reposition you. Alright, now we'll finish drilling this. We done had our excitement for the day. I'm going to try to drill and tap these and get these done today. Now I'm going to have to go see Harbor Freight, I guess, to buy air compressor. There's another $200 for free. I mean, literally blowed the bottom out of it. I sat here and you heard the noise with me. Never heard anything. I've never seen one blow up. But I got that one did. I'll tell you a little story. That air compressor it's got some. It's just a little airless one. I mean, here, see. All right, now we're going to knurl this thing. Now, I'm going to be honest, I just almost prefer to knurl with oil, even on aluminum. It's a little messy, it's just messy any way you do it. I do turn up a little more speed when I do my aluminum than I do. But you can see just how messy this is. And I don't really care if it's tight. I let it float a little bit. It ain't going to hurt nothing. These scissor knurls are just to catch me out. What I'm doing is I'm going to knurl these things. Actually, if I get a little more to the edge here. I don't know if I can with the chuck. It's going to be about the best. I want to set that out a little further, but that's good and clean. What I'm going to do is actually knurl both of them. So the whole saying rinse and repeat is kind of what we do. But this way, you see, if you do it just like I done this one, I'm going to come back and face them. But that's while I'm set up for knurling and the speed. See, with aluminum, you can just knock it right out. I should have got a little closer to the edge here, but ifers and buthers, we got it. There we go. I thought I'd give you a clock. I got to do this in the other one. So basically I'm cutting these off, and again, I've just found on aluminum, and I use fire feed. Now a little bit of cutting oil goes a long way. It just works better, makes it a little slicker, and kind I'm using just a Houghton oil that I have right now. I won't be able to get any more. And I work to eat, the Houghton rep give it to me. And I can't get any more of that, obviously, but it's some good stuff. I guess I'll just have to do like everybody else and use pipe threading oil or whatever, or order from Mobile or some crap. And we don't know what we'll do when we get there. Cross that bridge when we get to it. We done had an exciting day today, just finishing up on this project. We've had an exciting day. Now, these little pieces I use, if I had this to do over again, I would knurl the whole darn thing and then machined it. And then that way I could have grabbed it out here in this end and been done with it. But, you know, sometimes hindsight's 20/20. Hit this one with the file right quick, and we got some and there we go. It's all said and done for that. Alright, there is the finished product. the complete grinder done. These are the stands, and I'm real proud of them. Yes, you see there's some engraving on top, and that's what we basically use to make these. So this is a complete thing. It's kind of the way I envisioned it. I'm just using nuts of washers because that way if I need to control this, I can tighten this a little better. So if I want to set a 15-degree angle. I'm not really going to go in there and mill these slots out. Probably, but there it is. There's my complete grinders finished now. I'm well pleased. Basically, it's just, you know, cleaned up, put together, and runs. So, you know, you can see it runs pretty good. It's got a little vibration to it. And, but one of the shafts is bent. There's not a lot I can do about it. If you'll notice, you see how this side starts up here and how it moves. The shaft itself is bent. So that kind of causes part of the vibration. I might compress some of it out by dressing the wheel. I don't know yet. I haven't got to that point. And that might be why I got the grinders to shoot. But I've got really nice looking stands. And considering where I started with, I'm pretty tickled. So